Hey TikTokers! Ever wondered how people are making money on TikTok? It's not just about going viral anymore. Like real cash, $500 a month or more, even if you're just starting out. Imagine turning your fun hobby into a profitable side hustle. Well, guess what? In 2025, it's easier than ever to turn your TikTok hobby into a legit income stream. With the right strategies, you can grow your audience and monetize your content. It's totally possible to earn $500 a month or more, even if you're just starting out. And the best part? You don't need 1 million followers to do it. And today, I'm breaking down exactly how you can start earning right now. Let's go! First up is affiliate marketing, which is the easiest way to start making money, even if you're new to this. Share cool products you love with your followers using a special affiliate link. Every time someone buys through your link, you get a commission. To maximize earnings, focus on trending niches like fitness, tech, or skincare, and use popular sounds and hashtags to boost visibility. Next up is brand partnerships. Once you hit 1,000 followers, brands will start noticing you, especially in 2025. Brands love micro-influencers because they have more engaged followers. Start by reaching out to brands you genuinely love and use. Smaller brands are a great place to start, or join platforms like AspireQ or Upfluence to connect with brands. Even a couple of sponsored posts each month can add up to serious cash. This next one is about getting rewarded for your amazing content. Imagine getting paid just for doing what you love, creating engaging TikTok videos. The TikTok Creator Fund pays you for making TikToks that people love to watch. The more views you get, the more money you can earn. Creators earn anywhere from $20 to $200 per month, depending on their view counts and engagement levels. The key is consistency. Post regularly, use trending sounds, and engage with your followers. This helps you stay relevant and keeps your audience coming back for more. Combine this with affiliate marketing and brand partnerships, and you're well on your way to hitting that $500 a month goal. The opportunities are endless if you stay dedicated and creative. Ready to become a total boss? Let's get started. This strategy is about selling your own products or services. It's all about you. TikTok is the ultimate marketplace, and you can sell pretty much anything. Digital products like ebooks, presets, and merch are super popular. People love unique items. TikTok's built-in shopping features make it easy for people to buy directly through the app. It's seamless. Use TikTok to show off your skills and attract clients. Be creative and consistent. Last but not least, let's talk about going live. Live streaming on TikTok is a whole other level of connecting with your followers, and it can be super lucrative. When you go live, your viewers can send you virtual gifts that can be turned into real money. Going live helps you build a strong bond with your followers, leading to even more opportunities in the future. Alright, you guys, those are my 5 easy ways to make money on TikTok in 2025. Whether you're just starting out or have been on the platform for a while, these tips can help you boost your earnings. Remember, you don't need a ton of followers or fancy equipment to start. All you need is your phone and a bit of creativity. Just pick 1 or 2 of these strategies. Be yourself, have fun, and stay consistent.